What makes Java stand out?
Java is a versatile, object-oriented programming language known for its reliability and portability. Its write once, run anywhere philosophy means Java programs can run on any device with a compatible virtual machine. This strong cross-platform support, combined with extensive libraries and a large developer community, makes Java a solid choice for building robust software applications.
Java's impact in enterprise and mobile apps.
Java powers many of the world's largest business applications and services. Enterprises rely on it for backend systems, financial trading platforms, and more. Java is also the main language for developing Android applications, making it essential in the mobile app market. Its scalability and performance make it suitable from small startups to large corporations.
Key features that drive adoption.
Java includes features like automatic memory management, strong security, and multi-threading. These tools help developers build reliable and efficient software. The vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, such as Spring, Hibernate, and JavaFX, allows fast development of web, desktop, and cloud applications, supporting a wide range of tech solutions.
Career pathways with Java.
Proficiency in Java opens the doors to roles like software developer, backend engineer, Android developer, and systems architect. It's widely used in industries like banking, healthcare, e-commerce, and tech consultancies. Experienced Java professionals often advance into team leadership, architecture, or specialized cloud and data engineering roles.
Getting started with Java.
To begin a career with Java, start by learning core programming concepts and building projects such as simple web applications or Android apps. Mastering frameworks like Spring or understanding database interaction with JDBC can further boost your career prospects. Continuous practice and community engagement are key to advancing in the Java ecosystem.